Welcome back to Mechanical Engineering Design, and I'll be happy to take you through this design. Now, this is isometric view, right view, top view, front view, and diametric. So basically, that is how the design will appear. So if you don't mind, we are beginning with the right plane and come up with this sketch as a first sketch. And then we shall extrude the yellow part, followed by the lower section. The next sketch will be on this face. Then we'll sketch this part. The next sketch will be on top surface, where we'll create these sketches and extrude cut. And finally, this is the last sketch. Now let us get into the design part. We'll go to right plane, sketch. Now we'll take on a rectangle from this point, like this, followed by another corner rectangle from this point downwards like this. Smart dimension from this point, total distance is 85 millimeters. This height 35 millimeters. Can drag here upwards like this. Smart dimension, this height 10 millimeters, and this distance is 5 millimeters. So if you don't mind, we can trim entities to remove this part. Sketch is fully defined. Now we go to the next part, where we pick circle and draw sketch here, and the next circle downwards here. Using line, we'll drop a line which is perpendicular to this line. Enter. Draw the second line from this quadrant, perpendicular downwards. Repeat the same on lower circle. Like that. Then we can draw another circle inside and another one inside here. Basically like that. Then we can dimension from center, this height 10 millimeters. From this center, same height 10 millimeters. Now we can trim first to remove this part. Then we give relations. This arc and this one are equal. This circle and this one are equal. Smart dimension from this line, this one 25 millimeters. This arc radius of 10 millimeters. This circle diameter of 10, like that. Then give relations. This line and this one are collinear, like that. Sketch is now fully defined. We go to features and extrude. Extrusion distance is 30 millimeters. Then gives us an option of selecting contour, which is this one, reverse direction, like that. And then OK. Now we'll click on this arrow, and on sketch we extrude, but this time we'll select this contour, reverse direction, and give a distance of 5 millimeters. Okay, like that. When done, we rotate to this side, click on this face and sketch. Now what we'll do, we go to our first sketch, then convert entities here. So we have the first sketch on this plane, like that. But now we only need to use the upper part, so we'll trim to remove unwanted sketches. See, like that, and then okay. And we'll go to features, extrude. I'll go to isometric, reverse direction, this side. Distance is 5 millimeters. Okay. See what we have. Now the next part we'll go is this face sketch. We'll pick center rectangle and sketch here like that. Then circle, sketch here. We smart dimension this diameter 15 millimeters, the length of this rectangle 30 millimeters, and the width 10 millimeters. We need to identify the center of this part to center point of this rectangle and dimension distance of 35 millimeters, like that. Escape. Now this center point, hold on shift, identify midpoint. First we drag it upwards. Now click on this midpoint, hold on shift, make horizontal, like that. We'll give the next relation, identify this midpoint, hold on shift, this one, vertical relations, this point, hold on shift, this point, vertical relations, like that. Then go to features, extrude cut. Here we select up to next. Okay, like this. Now while here we'll apply fillet, and we go to fillet, select full round fillet, and our first face would be this one, second face this one. Ensure you select in order, like that, then okay. Repeat fillet, and this time let me show you the benefit of selecting in order. If I select this face, go to next face, opposite one, like that, and the last face as this one, you see it will not do the fillet. If I go to OK, it will give me rebuild errors. So you'll have to select them in order. This one being the first face, the second face, and the third face. See? Okay. The next face to fillet will be this face. Select this one, the next this one, and the last one this face, like this. Okay. The next face will be this side, fillet, first face, second face being this one, and the last face being this one, like this. Okay. Our last and final sketch will be on this face. So click and sketch. Pick corner rectangle and draw like this. Smart dimension. This width 10 millimeters. From this edge, this line 15 millimeters. We are done. Just drag this line upward. Identify the midpoint. Is here. Click, hold on shift, click on this line, tangent relations. Identify this midpoint, hold on shift, this midpoint, make coincident, like that. Then go to features and extrude cut. Here we'll select up to next. Okay. And finally, we'll do a fillet down here. So go to fillet, all round fillet, First face, second face, and last face. Okay, and this is the sketch that we wanted. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so that you'll not miss my next upload. See you in the next one.